Hey guys, it's me, Kex, and today we're on yet another small layout, and I've got something exciting. Literally just woke up, found this in my front door, took a shower real quick, and here we are. Don't sniff the knife, cat. Silly. This is special. It's a little lightweight for what I'm expecting to be in here, but we'll see. Hopefully everything's okay. I'm really excited. I've been really anticipating this. Oh, here we go. Oh my gosh. I've never held one of these locomotives before. I've barely even seen one of these in person. So you can just tell how incredibly excited I am. And wow, that is a gorgeous locomotive. Here we got the little caps for the lights and such. Wow. Frame's a little loose. Seems to be something wobbling around in there. Wow, it's a very pretty engine. Despite being like a really 20s kind of ugly shade of green, but I'm okay with it. So I saw this on eBay because I've been wanting this engine for quite a while now. You know, it's just like on eBay they're a little more expensive than what I paid for. Usually they're in the $280 range. And when I saw this one on eBay for $125, the listing says runs great. Had a lot of pictures. It said it had a chip in one wheel. There it is. There's the chip, which is barely anything compared to the normal stuff that happens to these. Missing a contact roller, that should be fine though, unless it's going over switches and such. And yeah, so I couldn't say no. I mean, it was a great little deal. The engine seemed to be in pretty nice condition, and it also was guaranteed running. The seller was very nice about, you know, in his listing, it wasn't very passive, saying like, oh, sellers or, you know, whoever assumes all whatever for buying. It's interesting. I didn't know this. I thought this had pentographs on both sides. Yeah, I don't really see electric locomotives that often. And it's funny because as a kid, I didn't even know what they were. Oh, there we go. Here's what's rattling around in there. Okay, here's our contact roller. That's what was rattling around in there. So it appears this may have broken off during shipping. That shouldn't be too big of a hassle to put back on. Maybe solder it, or I don't know. I have no clue. Alright, well, now that we have the engine unboxed and everything, let's take it for a little run around my little Coney Island layout place. It's very messy at the moment. Give us some power. Oh yeah, duh. Oh dear. That's not good. It's not making any kind of humming at all or anything. This screw just fell out. Just a second. Some very talented person used some kind of scotch tape to tape together these two wires. I mean, I guess that's okay. That should work. Now we're gonna just take a look at this and see what's wrong. The one thing I see that's not very good sight right here is that these screws are really loose. So let me just tighten them real quick and hopefully that'll fix some problems. I think I just found out the reason why it wasn't working. This middle contact roller wasn't able to reach the track. And I did test it and stuff with the wires, putting them directly on wheels and the contact roller. It does start. It does work. Yes! Oh my gosh, yes. I'm so happy right now. Alright, I'll be right back in a second. One thing I find is really cool about this locomotive is how it has the transition period, not really transition, but it has these couplers that are for, you know, the hook and latch couplers as well, the old style, you know, slip-in noose couplers or whatever. So here we go. That is a smooth runner. And it doesn't quite make it underneath the layout, so I'll be right back. Alright, so I moved a little loop of track to the dining room. Here we go. It is very quiet. Wow. That is the smoothest runner I've ever had. I still haven't gotten the lights fixed yet. I'll do that later. If ever. Let's make it pull some Pullmans. That is awesome. We got Pullmans number 607 and 608 as usual. And wow, it pulls those like a charm. Pulls those with no problems whatsoever. Motor's complaining a little bit, but that's it.